How can I convince you what you see is real? Who am I to blame you for doubting what you feel? I was always waiting. You were just a girl I knew. I took for granted the friend I had in you. I was living